This is the elevator at Laffin Hall. Modernize something else. GAL. Oh, this might have been an armor. Oh wow. Look what's in the inside though. Alright, let's listen. That's 2 rides. Does the bell work?
Okay, nothing like a startling bell. I definitely got me paying attention.
Cab itself.
It's on.
It's like meh. Inspection certificate's gone.
Look at that.
What? Oh wow.
No. Come over here.
And since this thing was low on oil,
That might be why 3 is disabled.
it's not. It just doesn't light up.
No. Why do we only go up
Right,
to
shit.
2?
It's not the worst. Alright, stay quiet during the bell this time. This might have been an armor. Of course, you got your monitor TR buttons. These are a lot older.
Great. Elevator.
It doesn't run well. Like even though it's low on oil, it still doesn't run well. It like shakes down here. I think this is an armor. Could have been. Or maybe like a Burlington or something, I don't know. It's got JL on the walks. See, look. I don't know what this was. Alright. And that's it.